Hey guys, I'm just going to do a really short video on how to put HTV on a t-shirt. I have some t-shirts that my kids have given me that don't fit them, so if I mess up, it's okay, you know? And so I'm going to show you how to do it, and then we're going to make it. Okay, so first I'm going to do a pocket on a t-shirt. So I'm going to measure, and it's about 4 inches or so. I'm not really worried about the pocket itself, but I want to, the image I have is a German Shepherd, so I don't want it too big on the shirt. I'm going to guess maybe 3.5. That might be good. And if it isn't, it's okay. So about 3.5. So 3.5 by 4. In Design Space, I already have my image. I chose a German Shepherd face with a paw, and I grouped them together. I'm going to click Make It. And one thing you have to remember when doing HTV, you have to mirror it. So I'm going to click Mirror, and it will change my image. Then I'm going to click Continue. And it's going to, if you don't have heat transfer pulled up, you can just browse all materials and find it. I already have it in my favorites, so I'm going to click on it. And it always says make sure mirror is on, and it is on. And iron side material is faced down, the shiny side down. So we're going to do that now. So I've already loaded it in my machine, and I'm going to push the Cricut button. Okay, so now we're going to unload the mat by pushing the button. I've cut the excess off because I like to save every piece I have. So I'm going to go ahead and weed this very gently. HTV is pretty easy to do. One tip that helps me when I'm weeding is to have it on your screen while you do it, because if you don't, you might accidentally take out the wrong thing, and then you're like, oh my goodness. So I'm going to look at my screen really quick, and then I'm going to bend it. So I'm going to bend it here to start it, and let's see. I just want to see. Okay, so I'm going to start it there. Sorry about my angle. I get really nervous when it breaks off because I'm like, oh no. So I'm going to do it gently, looking at it on my computer screen while I do it. I'm sorry if the shininess bothers you. So that's that part. And then sometimes you have to use your tools to get stuff. These are actually my favorite tools. I know everybody has their own tools. I like these. I like these and the I don't know what you call it, but you could really stab yourself, but I like that. I'm gonna do the rest really quick, okay? Okay, so I finished weeding my decal. I lost his whiskers, or the little dots on his face, and that's okay. This is just a random t-shirt. I'm not really worried. So I just want to see how they look. Make sure you put it on the side that you're, like I'm going to iron on this side, so make sure it's on the correct side. I just want to look at it and see and place it and see how I like it. And his paw is going to be like he's saying hi. But I want it in the pocket. So I'm going to do like that, okay? So I think that's neat. I think that's cute. Alright. Alright, so before I turn my heat press on, I went ahead and put my t-shirt on my pad, and my decal is okay, it's not moving. I did buy some heat transfer tape in case I needed some, but I think this is okay, I don't need it now. I'm going to swing this on, or swing this over. Oh, before I actually turn it on, which I have not even turned it on, I'm going to put my Teflon sheet on. I almost forgot about that. So we're going to push the button on the side, and it's going to make a very loud noise, and it's going to start to heat up. I'm going to wait until it says 320, and then we will press for 20 seconds. While this is heating up, I wanted to show you really quick how to change the time on this machine. All I did was push set, and that's where you would set the temperature. I said 320 earlier, but I meant 305. I'm sorry. 305, and then just do the time. You press it again, and then you go up or down, you know, whatever, and then you push set again. Okay, so it has finally reached 305. It took about 5 to 7 minutes total. Every machine is different, so just, you know, never leave your machine at all whatsoever. Now we are ready to press. Okay, I'm going to press the down arrow and then press down. And it gives a little beep, so I'm going to press lift up, and then I'm going to press down. I'm going to swing this to the side, and then I'm going to check it. And remember, it's really hot, so you just don't want to like willy-nilly start peeling. You want to be careful. See, it's a little bit, I'm not really satisfied with that, so I'm going to press it one more time. Okay, so I've pressed it one more time. You might hear my dog. He's looking at the he's looking at the mailman. So I swung it around. I'll go ahead and, sorry about that, turn it off. And I'm going to go ahead and peel it off. It looks pretty good, I think. Yeah, it looks good so far, huh? There we go. And then we're going to pull the paw off. Uh-oh. Okay, see how it went up? I'm going to press that like one more time for a little bit. Okay, so this time it actually works. So I'm going to peel it off. Oops, sorry. And, oh, I'll press it again. So, maybe not. I think it looks okay. I'll press it again and check it. But there we go. Isn't that cute? It's just a German Shepherd. I have a German Shepherd. His name is Kimber. He actually has his own Instagram. So, thank you for watching. I'm sorry it was kind of weird, but if you have any questions, just put them in the comments, and I will try to help you as best as I can. Thanks for watching.